YouTube. Sorry for the like week-long absence, but my Eagles won the Super Bowl, so it has been like a non-stop celebrate, 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 party, work, 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 celebrate, celebrate. This is a big thing to my family. I've lived in Philadelphia my whole life. I am a die-hard Eagles fan and football fan and sports fan in general, especially Philadelphia sports. So I am detoxing. I'm detoxing. So what easier way to detox for my boys than to film my Boxycharm? I got it like super early. I'm like super pumped, guys. I know that my unboxing videos are usually a little more cash, so I literally just threw my hair up after work and I'm working on it, guys. Still detoxing, okay? How do I get you open? I have an eyebrow razor. Could be dangerous or it could be good. Oh, that was good. It's like a box cutter. Okay. Keeping my eyes shut. Before I open this, I want to let you know I have the 0.6 ounce box. I know there was a 0.8 box that people were talking about, but I have the 0.6. Where's my card? Okay. Galaxy Glow! I don't want to read it, but that is the theme, is Galaxy Glow. And the first thing I pulled out are Wet n Wild brushes. Oh my god, they're so cold from being outside. Crown brushes. It's starting to look like Crown is like Boxycharms-ish. It's like, and then they're individually wrapped too. What the hell? I'm pretty sure that got stuck in my hair. So this is a Crown brush. What does it say here? Three-piece brush to contour. Three-piece brush to contour your face to perfection. This is $29.99. Small brush to conceal imperfections and highlight under eyes. Medium brush can be used to sculpt cheekbones and primmer a face. Large powder to set everything in place. There's not really a highlight brush. Definitely look, tell me these don't look like the pink Wet n Wild brushes. So this is supposed to be for concealer. This looks like a little eye brush. This could be, I guess, a very precise contour brush. Like, really good in them cheeky bones. They're soft. This one is like shedding galore. Can you see that? Don't mind my like scuffed up hands. There is so many hairs coming off of this. Is that stuck in there? Is that crazy? Like freaking, there's a couple of crazy ones going all over the place. I'll have to like trim this, I guess. But it's soft. Apparently they're $29, so. Next, we have, oh, the Seraphine Botanical Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. This is cute. This must be really old because it says share your pics with us for Seraphine Botanicals, and look how old the Instagram logo is, but that's none of my business. It comes in like this adorable little packaging, like, this is $24. It's very bit of best lip. Ew, a lot of poop just flew everywhere. So this is the Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. What does this smell like? Oh, we got a little flupa on here. Let's get you off. I feel like this is gonna smell amazing because the smell of sugar and lemon kind of sends me into a tizzy. Or not. Oh, like it like shot out of there, so that's what it looks like. Very gritty, which is great. Okay, it does smell good. It smells like a lemon sugar cookie. And I love the packaging it comes in. This looks very nice. I'm tempted to eat it. Tastes like sugar. So I put this on, but I'll save it. I need a lip exfoliator, so this is a good send. Good send. My box is crunched, but I'm pretty pumped for this. The Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Pearlescent for cream, perfect for eyelids. Oh my god, there's sugar all over me. Don't mind my bra showing through these little cold shoulders. I give up on life. Oh. Guys, not for resale. So this is an amethyst, and this is usually $28, which is not that pricey for Cover FX. Is that even like showing up? pretty, but I guess I have to get some more. It's a little sheer. It's definitely not the Stila. See how much more sheer it is? Definitely not the Stila Glitter and Glows, that's for sure. But it's pretty. It's like a lilac. It's called amethyst. But I definitely see a lot more sheerness going on than in my beloved Stila Glitter and Glows, which I really want to try the new Stila thing. So. Fall into the sky. Is it enough? This is pretty lame. This is really lame. The Vintage by Jessica Leapskind Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. Like, I can put this in my kit, but it's just a jet black, like, really cheap feeling pencil liner. And I guess it's good for, like, smudging. It's definitely smoky and smudgy. So maybe, like, for, like, a Valentine's look, but I really don't want, like, a cheap black pencil liner. I felt like that's kind of like a, what else can we give them? And I've never even heard of this brand, and they throw it in there. Knowing BoxyCharm, they're gonna say it's like $21. They're saying it's $21. Like, come on, BoxyCharm. Like, come on, let's just be real. It's like $6. It feels like a Wet n Wild pencil you'd get. Like, my NYX ones feel nicer than this. Not to like crap on this brand, I could totally end up loving this, but I feel like BoxyCharm just has this thing where they're like, oh yes, this pencil's $21. It's so bougie. And you're like, okay, I'm sure. I'm sure. We have the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighting Palette. Ooh, this is very like, oh. Let's see if it's broken. Everything has been broken that BoxyCharm has. Oh my god, my first non-broken BoxyCharm palette. So this is what it looks like. It's a lot of, first of all, the packaging is on fire, but it's a lot of like crazy color, crazy holographic highlights that I don't know if I'd ever wear. It seems like we have like a peach tone, an amethyst, a pink with a blue shift to it, a very yellow gold, a blue, and a green. So this is like Kat Von D Alchemist palette-esque, which I'm not super into that. Maybe I'll wear this peach and this gold if I like really get a tan. They're pretty, like don't get me wrong, like look how pretty they are. But they really pull the colors that they are in the pan. And I am not like a super holographic-y person when it comes to my highlights. Like, I have the Fenty Beauty highlight on right now. Let's use this crown thing. Which one should we use? Should we try this gold one? I can't imagine this is gonna look good on me. It's probably gonna look like jaundice. Ooh, I'm nervous. Is anything even okay. Oh, these seem a little powdery. Oh, it's pretty yellow. How's it looking, guys? Yellow? Do I look jaundiced? Oh, maybe it doesn't pull. I mean, it's gold, but it doesn't pull like crazy gold. There's no mirror in this. So, $39. Oh, it's gold. It's pretty gold. Oh, Christ. I mean, I don't usually pull for a super yellow gold highlighter. But, definitely wearable. Like, it's pretty. I'll have to play with this. So guys, that was my BoxyCharm. Nothing was broken this time. And I actually did enjoy a lot of things. Like, I'll definitely try to use this highlight palette. I'll definitely use the cover effects, or at least try to. I mean, I'm gonna try to use everything, but I'm definitely most disappointed in that damn stupid liner for $21, but that was my Galaxy Glow BoxyCharm. If you guys want to see some more unboxings and top 5s and just hang out with me, makeup videos, you can subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have an awesome night. Bye.